it's me again. What am I doing? Well, this is gonna be one little section. I found my, what do you call it? Krylon Max Heat, oh, for grills, fire pits, and more. Um, Krylon stuff. And I got this. So tomorrow, while I'm at work, I might see if I can give this a quick spray. And I'll give it a test. And I'll stitch that video into this, let it dry, and then I'll stitch another one with me actually using this. And I'm guessing this is cap indicates color sheen for grills, fire pits, wood burning stoves, and heat radiators. Material metal covers up 20 square feet on a solid surface. For best results, use when air surface temperature is 60 and whatever. Dry application times. Dries touch in 10 minutes or less. Handle after 1 hour. Apply additional coats 4 hours. After use, clean valve by holding can. Do not stick and spray by opening. Clean overspray with paint lacquer thinner. So it's just for charcoal. So I'm gonna bring this home with me and keep watching. There should be another video attached to this. Stay tuned.